It's funny how it can sometimes take courage to do simple tasks, like make this silly phone holder. I was gonna make it. It seemed like it was silly, but really, it's not real until you make it. You make anything you want on Fusion 360, but if you don't bring it into fruition, then it's not real. It's you're basically just playing a video game. So here I am, finishing up the tutorial that I said I was gonna do, and I'm gonna start making this phone holder. I have this piece of, I believe it's Peruvian walnut. I've had it for a while, and I think this might be the perfect project to try to use it for. So we'll start with this, and really we're going to use the table saw for the entire thing. Absolutely everything we're gonna be using the table saw. It's going to be a quick, simple project. It just kind of shows what you can do with Fusion 360, and then how I bring it into the shop. Whether you actually want to build this with me, or you're just following along to see how we can bring Fusion into the shop, this will give you the entire picture. Personally, I just like to do a screenshot of what I'm making, especially when it's simple. And just like Fusion, we're going to be starting off with a solid block of wood. We'll get our starting size. And here's the fun thing about Fusion. Every cut you make in Fusion is also a cut that you make in real life. We're going to be cutting out the phone slot as well as the two chamfers on here. And it's a good way to think as you're using Fusion 360 as well is how am I going to make this in the shop? It helps with the planning process. So once again, I'll be using this Peruvian walnut and just ripping it on the table saw. There's only three cuts that matter. We'll do the 45 first. And now we'll do the 25-degree. And now we'll do the phone slot. I'm not using a data blade here, so we're going to have to do more passes. And the last step is just to give it a quick sanding, and then we're gonna add some wax and call it a day. And that's it. That's our phone holder. It looks clean. It works well. The most important part is that we made something come to life from Fusion 360. We didn't just leave it as a model. We made something real. So if you are learning Fusion 360, don't stop at the screen. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can help you connect the dots and get better at Fusion and better in the woodshop. I'll see you for the next build.